Hello everyone, let's install Lumion. First, make sure your internet is off. Turn it off. Now, copy this name, rename, Control plus C, copy. Now go here in this address bar here and type cmd and click enter. Now paste it, Control plus V, space, dash, small s, small s. Now hit enter. Now the process has started. It will take about 10 minutes. 1%, 2%. Okay, it is about to finish now. 99%. Okay. Now do not close anything. Wait for it. This window will close automatically. Do not close this. Wait for it. Okay. Now exit. Type exit. Enter. Okay. Now you see this patch here. Go here. Copy this patch. Copy and go to C drive. Go down file. Lumion and paste it here. Replace. Do this for all. Continue. Okay. So our Lumion is installed. But see, you see, yeah. But there is a catch here. The catch is that every time, every time when you run Lumion, only at the very beginning, at the very initial stage, when it runs, you need to have the internet on. Otherwise, it will not load. It will not start. Only at that time you need to have the internet on. It is only a minor, inconvenience. After that, when it is loaded, then you can turn it off. Then, then you can turn your internet off. I do not have any problem with that. I'm fine with it. If you have, then you can follow other methods. But I believe this is the best method, most smoothest method to install Lumion because you do not have to, turn your antivirus off. You do not have to unzip anything. You don't have to execute any hack tools, right? I think this is very safe. So you can follow this method. Okay, now I'll show you. Uh, Turn on internet off like this. Okay, it is on now. Now let's click on it. So you can see it is installed, up and running. So that is it. And you can also directly close it from here. You don't have to go into taskbar and close it. You can just close it, quit. So that is how Lumion is now installed. Enjoy. Thank you so much.